Bonfire Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Night, is an iconic celebration in the UK. Every November 5th, the night sky lights up with dazzling fireworks, and bonfires roar in public squares and backyards alike. The tradition began in 1605, when a group, including Guy Fawkes, plotted to blow up the Houses of Parliament. Their plan was foiled, and King James's survival was celebrated with bonfires throughout London. Today, Bonfire Night is more than history. It's about community gatherings, fairground rides, and the warming scent of toffee apples and hot chocolate. Effigies of Guy Fawkes are often burned on the bonfire as a nod to its origins. So remember, as the sky sparkles with fireworks, it's a night filled with both history and festivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing stories from Trendwave.